Okay, so I'd like to welcome you to another training video. And in this training video, we want to move on to explore how we can populate the introduction section or the introduction portion of our lesson plan. So in the previous video, we took a look at how to populate the lesson outcomes section of our lesson plan. Now in this video, we want to find out how do we add information to the introduction. Okay, so to do that, you tap on your overview button there, and then you go to section 2, and you go to introduction. So when you click on introduction there, you will be presented with a similar sort of interface as the previous sections. So you'd have your text box there where you can type your introduction out. So you can type your introduction out, then you can add the numbered list, you can add the bulleted list, you can indent, and you can use, so you can try to explore all these features to see which one works best for you to add certain things. But in the future, there will be a dedicated video to explore how each of these items in the ribbon actually work. But for the introduction, you can just type a simple introduction there. You can say some introduction. Okay, so we can say some introduction. Then you can, of course, if you would want to make it bold, you simply highlight and then you make it bold, and you can use those other features as well. You can also make it full screen just in case you have got a small mobile screen. And then after you're done adding your information there, you have to click on save so that the information gets saved. If you don't click on save, then the information will not reflect on the lesson plan. So always remember, you have to click on the save. You have to click on the save button so that you'll be able to see the changes. So you can click on preview and it will show you the introduction that we just added there. So this is basically how we can populate the introduction of our lesson plan. So in the next training video, we will now move on to the lesson development section. How do we add content to our table, the lesson development table? How do we add content to it? We'll learn how to do that in the next training video. So stay tuned.